A primary healthcare nurse practitioner is an advanced practice nurse with additional education and skills who has the independent authority to order and interpret diagnostic tests, communicate a diagnosis, prescribe medications, perform procedures, and work collaboratively with other healthcare professionals. All nurse practitioners are prepared at the graduate level. Nurse practitioners can work in primary care, working alongside physicians and other healthcare professionals.
Here at Toronto Metropolitan University, students can enroll in the Primary Healthcare Nurse Practitioner program as part of the combined Master of Nursing program or the Postmaster Certificate program. The program is part of the Ontario Primary Healthcare Nurse Practitioner Program Consortium. Here, you will learn and develop essential skills to practice as a primary healthcare nurse practitioner. Our program offers small class sizes, interactive labs for hands-on skill development and practice, and a variety of clinical placement options throughout the GTA. Our graduates practice as primary healthcare nurse practitioners in a wide variety of clinical settings. We have alumni who practice in primary care, emergency departments, specialty care, long-term care, and a variety of other clinical settings.
I graduated from the nurse practitioner program here at Toronto Metropolitan University. My role as a nurse practitioner focuses on clinical practice, leadership, education, and research. As nurse practitioners, the possibilities of our roles are endless.
My clinical experience as an advanced practice nurse and educator has centered on the development and support of nurses in a variety of skill levels. As a professional practice and skills coordinator for the MP program, my role is to support a learning environment for the PHCNP students to practice skills they've acquired in the Advanced Health Assessment and Diagnosis course. The MP Lab is modeled as a primary healthcare clinic with 8 experiential suites. The clinical experience rooms enabled the PHCNP students to practice advanced patient assessment skills using low-fidelity simulation models, task trainers, and hands-on clinical assessment for the successful completion of objective structured clinical examinations during this semester.
Come join us at Toronto Metropolitan University to start your nurse practitioner education.